Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, and welcome to the channel. Hey, man, I just came across something. Um, I'm still recovering from flu, by the way. Hey, now it's only just the mucus that I have, and then yeah, it's about right. So I'm a short, but these shorts ain't now, man. They're nothing compared to the shorts between Sizwe Dlomo and okay, this is alleged. I'll say that, and Mr. Smeg. So how this started, it started on Twitter, where Mr. Smeg was speaking about women who date multiple guys. Like he was saying, what he imagine waiting for 5 years or in line for 5 years. First thing first, I'm not waiting for anyone for 5 years. Now, corner with the waiting part, what am I waiting for? For sex or for umshado, or to be in a relationship with that person? What I mean, I'm not waiting for sex for 5 years or a year or or a relationship. I mean, we are not going to date for just going on dates and then maybe the 90-day rules. But unfortunately, it's either you want to be with me or you do not want to be with me. I even remember this other thing with my friends. There's this other friend of mine, when I tell him, okay, this, for example, if I tell him that this is a specific guy that I like and stuff like that, and then I tell him, I want to ask him out and stuff like that, and then this friend of mine will be like, no, wait, touch his cut and stuff like that, and then I'm like, no, I'm not going to wait to instead of telling the guy, hey, I like you. If you like me, let's hit it off. If you do not like me, it's cool. So I remember this other guy, I did ask him out, and then he was like, no, he's straight. And then I told this guy, this friend of mine, and then he was like, no, the problem is that he was giving off signs of not being straight. However, when he said that, I was like, okay, no, cool, it's fine. At least now you know how I feel, and the ball is in your court, you understand? Then this friend of mine was like, no, now so watch, you were in a rush, you're supposed to take time and stuff like that and all of that. I mean, I was like, no. I mean, I'm not a patient person. Unfortunately, if I want to do something, I want to do something, I'll do it. If you also want to do something or you do want to be with me, then we're hitting it off just like that. You understand? So he was speaking about dating these women, or for 5 years, booking flights, doing everything for this woman, and then at the end of the day you end up being friend zoned. Yeah, that sucks. I will not lie to you, that sucks. Yo, I here for you. Yo, 5 years ususpende ukuthi kokunye with the spending part, as I always say, isikhathi kahle esingaba inkinga futhi, because especially if you are the one who likes or loves that person, and that person is not interested, it doesn't hurt you on. With the spending part, I always say, spend because you want to spend, not because you want to possess, or you feel like you are being owed by whoever you're spending on. You understand? So now, so then he said, a guy like that, yena ngeza khona ukwenza leyo nto, ngikasike ngitsamaye ngishwe ngamana shona ukuthi kwenzeke into enje, cha abeki nami angeke ngikwazi. Then uSizwe Dlomo allegedly wangena njengo Jason mangena ebondeni, esethi uthula makubekile, but this time ebefuna violence. He was like, ubuzile ukuthi ayibo kanti wena buka John the Kendlela. Isn't it with this guy Mr. Smeg, he got this name because he was taking each and every picture, and in all of his pictures, he always made sure that there was a Smeg kettle. You understand? So Usiz is asking him, weren't you the guy who was dating a kettle? You understand? So this went from, I don't know, Smeg being a a relationship, what. But even not to mock Smeg, I think he was also giving his own opinion. Because honestly, even with this dating 50 million people thing, I feel like everyone is doing that. We're having fun. More buys are buys. If umuntu, you're supposed to see if a person wants to be with you or not. For you to have to wait for 50 years in order for you to be woke and see this person wants to be with you or not, Zakal. Then after Sizwe said that, then this guy, this kettle Smeg guy came popping, and he was mocking his he said something about Sizwe's fertility. Twin. I was like, because the only way that he could have heard that, I think, is Munto's Fasan. Maybe we used to date Sizwe or yo. You can't put anything past friends, because even friends, I can confide Guwe as a friend, only to find out you'll take this news and be telling people. And unfortunately, it's a small world, and India was a travel about fate. You understand? Because these two guys, I think, they're not friends. They're not friends. So yeah, news does really travel. Then Sizwe, unfortunately, and Sizwe, you can tell what he is a hip hop head, because he dropped a bar. Sizwe came with a bar, man. As much as Smeg said this guy allegedly isn't fertile, he was like, I can still, as much as, or even if I was infertile, I could still son you. Yo, wait. If you don't understand, a person who's infertile, it's someone who can't give birth. You understand? And then we know if you can't give birth, you can't have a son. You understand? Now, this, I can still son you. There's also another meaning of that. Yoguti, when it comes to this hip hop thing, it's a bar in a sense, Yoguti, ngagoenzi intwana or intwana like him. You understand? So with him saying that, I was like, yo. But I still don't like the guy. After this Unazi thing, and after I also heard that audio. But yo, I'm a buzz. Smeg, I hope you are cooking something or you are boiling something in the kettle. You can't take this lying down. Join. But now let I shield about the fertility thing. I was like, yo, isn't this a bit, I think, embarrassing? You know what? I read.